Hello and welcome to the Kingdom YouTube channel. My name is Ivory, and if you want to know more about me, check out my Twitter at ivor_y. In this video, we'll go over how to create your very own plant and nature brushes in Photoshop CC. There are a few ways you can go about making your own custom plant brushes in Photoshop. For example, you can follow along with our previous video in the How to Adobe series where we make a cloud brush, and instead of using an image of a cloud, you can use an image of a leaf, for example. By importing a PNG of a singular leaf into a fresh Photoshop file, we can hold down Control on PC or Command on Mac and select our leaf to create a selection in the shape of a leaf. Then, by going to Edit at the top and selecting Define Brush Preset, we can create a brush of a singular leaf. While this is helpful, using it to create a background full of trees and brushes will take a very long time. What we can do is create a simple pattern of a group of leaves on a separate layer with our new brush in black. And while holding down Control on PC or Command on Mac, we can select our bundle and create a new brush from that. Let's say you want to create something that's entirely custom, something to give your artwork a little extra visual kick. Using the lasso tool can give us a clean edge. We will create a small bundle of 4 to 5 leaves. After we made our new batch of leaves, we fill in our selection with the brush tool. After holding Ctrl D on PC or Command D on Mac to deselect our filled in leaves, we can now tweak them to our preferences by using the brush tool.
So it's better to be leaving roses behind than mousetraps, you know.
Once we're happy with how it looks, we will once again select our leaves by holding Control on PC or Command on Mac and clicking on our layer. After which, we'll go to Edit and then click Define Brush Preset. In this box, you can now name your new brush to whatever you like. You now have your own custom leaf brush. Right now it acts more like a stamp, but going to brush settings, we can tweak our brush however we like. Let's start off by changing the spacing of the brush so that we can see the leaves when we paint rather than one long smear. We can do this by increasing the slider to the right. Then, let's go to Shape Dynamics and adjust the size jitter so we can have variation in the size of the leaves as we paint. Let's also change the angle jitter so we can have a variety in the rotations of the leaves. We'll also select Flip X Jitter to mirror the brush horizontally to help take out repeating patterns. Lastly, let's change the color of our brush to a nice shade of green and then select Color Dynamics. Here we can change it so that when we paint with our new brush, we can also get a natural variation in the color of our leaves. Adjusting the brightness jitter to about 5% will give you the most realistic variation of hues. By building up some colors from dark to light, we can create a realistic shaded bush. You can find the brush we made in this video along with several other custom brushes on our Patreon. If you have any further questions, leave a comment below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video and would like to not only see them continue but improve in quality, consider supporting us on Patreon or Ko-Fi.
See you next time.